In this video, we're continuing our discussion of new features available in Nerdio Manager for WVD version 2.9 as it relates to scripted actions. Because of the way the scripted action functionality has increased over the several releases of Nerdio Manager and the amount of usage and adoption that we have seen from our customers, one of the requests that came to us was to make the usage of scripted actions when attaching them to various events a little bit easier from a UI perspective. So to accommodate that, what we've done is we have changed the UI. So now when you go to manage scripted actions, you are no longer seeing a free text box that allows you to type in just free text PowerShell commands. And instead, anytime that you are wanting to use a scripted action, you have to select it from a list, which is available under the scripted actions library right here in the menu. This makes the UI cleaner, really easier to read, especially when you have so many different events that are available to attach scripted actions to. And just it makes the flow and usage of scripted actions easier. So now, instead of typing in your script in free text on a particular page, you would instead create that scripted action in your library by just clicking on add scripted action and then reuse that scripted action wherever it is necessary. Now, the obvious question comes to mind is, well, what happens to my existing scripted actions that I had attached to various host pools, various schedules, desktop images, or any other place in the Nerdio Manager environment? What happens to those now that I can no longer edit them or work with them in line on the various pages where scripted actions are used? And the answer to that is that when you upgrade it to version 2.9, if you used free text PowerShell scripts before, all of those PowerShell scripts were converted into scripted actions for you and attached to your events exactly where you were using them before. So what you'll notice is if you've had such events under scripted actions, if you go to either your Windows scripts or your Azure runbooks, you may see several new objects, and these objects will be those free text PowerShell commands that you used that were converted automatically for you to a scripted action that you can now use in multiple places. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at nmw.support@getnerdio.com, and we'll be happy to help you with any specific questions you may have. And I hope you found this video useful, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.